Hi everyone, Jacqueline here, and today I am bringing you my favorite veganized Hawaii food so far, and it is vegan shoyu chicken. Let's get started. First is the marinade. I'll list all ingredients in the description, but this is a pretty typical yet mouth-watering Hawaii-style marinade with shoyu, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, and a couple other ingredients. The marinade is simple, but the flavor is everything. Next, we prepare the chicken replacement, which is king oyster mushrooms. If you are a mushroom lover, then this is the recipe for you. These babies, when shredded, look and feel just like shredded meat, except they came from the earth and taste freaking amazing because, well, they're mushrooms. I cut the caps and ends off. You won't need them for this recipe, but definitely save them for later. Then I shredded the stalks with 2 forks. They shred apart very easily, so don't go overboard. It's nice to have a mix of fine and thick shreds. Shoyu chicken is usually made with chicken thighs, but my favorite thing used to be all the soft shredded meat that would fall off the bone. So that's why I'm making my vegan version this way. Next, you want to add the mushrooms to the marinade, mix it all up, and then let it marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And this is what we're working with. Ooh, I'm so excited watching this all over again. Next, you want to slice up some onion, and we're going to saute that in sesame oil until soft. Add your mushrooms and marinade, and we are going to simmer, stir, cover, simmer, stir, cover this for the next 20 to 30 minutes. Also add some water. That was veggie broth because I filmed this while I was recipe testing, but I would definitely recommend using water instead of broth. It's salty enough as it is with the shoyu. If you'd like a thicker sauce rather than a broth, you can add in a cornstarch slurry. Technically, you are supposed to use cold water to make a slurry, but I used the broth and it turned out just fine. Usually, shoyu chicken is simmered or slow cooked for hours, but this recipe comes together in about 1 hour or less. And half of that hour is just the marinating time, so you can go and take a nap or meditate while you wait for that. To make this a true plate lunch, I served this up with some white rice and furikake, mac salad, and corn. And that is the finished product. It was so good. From the marinade to the texture of the mushrooms and the way the mushrooms soak up that sauce like a sponge. I really hope you will try this one out because it was seriously so good. My boyfriend's exact words were, "I could eat this every single day." Be sure to tag me on Instagram if you do try this out. I would love to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you all, and until the next video, stay safe, stay hydrated, and eat more plants. Bye!